Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we look at various art books and magazines. And today lilDENNiS is going to open this little envelope which should hopefully be issue number 23 of the Character Design Quarterly magazine. So let's go and have a look at this one. So before we get into that one, the last issue of Character Design Quarterly magazine was issue number 22, and at the time I said I loved the character, but I thought she had a strange expression, and somebody left a comment on the video saying, because I said it was like she's a video gamer, they said it's like they were capturing that sort of one more go. You know when you say, oh, I'll have one more go, and then before you know it, it's 4 o'clock in the morning or something. So they captured that expression, but I think for me, the nose was a bit weird. That's what I was thinking. But my favourite cover ever so far of Character Design Quarterly magazine is still issue number 6, the one by Loish. I think that is just, for me, I've never seen a cover as beautiful as that. So the first question I have is, do you reckon this one's going to have a better cover than that? Boing! Ah! lilDENNiS. What colour do you reckon it is? Oh, it's a blue one. It's going to be a blue one, look. We've got a blue cover. And oh, I've just seen a bumblebee. I like bumblebees. Oh, this is going to be a funky cover, I think. Shall I leave it on him or not? I like these little bumblebees, look. Boing! Hey! Look! lilDENNiS' doggy friend. Well, that is still my favourite cover, because this one, I do love it, but this one's got more of a story going on. Because are they escaping, or are they taking all these creatures with them? Sort of like, for me it feels a bit like Noah's Ark. They're sort of taking all these animals with them. So there's a nice story there, but I just love this one. The simplicity of it, I suppose. So that's still my favourite cover, but lilDENNiS is going to get us in. I love the blue. What a beautiful blue that is. Beautiful blue. So what's on here? Look. Flip-shaped characters by Lorenzo Atherington. Plop. That blue goes very nicely with lilDENNiS. I'm going to have to sort this out. I might have to make him a little collar or something. There he goes, he's got a collar now, look. Yeah, I'm loving that blue. This is one of the things you see with Character Design Quarterly magazine. Their presentation, I would say 3DTotal Publishing probably do the best presentation of any art book. Look at that, look. The cover art by Kenneth Anderson. Mr. Anderson. Mr. Anderson. Very vibrant. That's beautiful, that one. Yeah, this artist is very good at sort of, they probably work on children's books, I reckon. Oh, that's nice. See, that would have been beautiful. If that had been the cover, I might have said it was my favourite. Oh, I love this. I love this artist. I like that doggy. Yeah, he's funny, he is. There's a bird up in the tree as well, look. Yeah, it seems like a very fun world to be in, that one. Crafting the cover. Oh yeah, we've got the sort of sketchy thing of it. The thumbnail. Thumbnails! Hey look, you can see all the other sort of ideas they had. That would have been a good one, the dinosaur one. I do think they went with the best one though. because I like the chair. The chair as a vehicle is quite funny. That bee's cool. Oh look, they're giving him a cookie. Mice might fly. Hey look, they had a mouse in it in a little thingy, and they must have deleted it. At one point I played with having a mouse flying a tiny plane in the background, look. That's what I mean. They did take stuff away, but I still feel like it's a bit busy. Which is what I like about the lowish cover. It's sort of simplified. The main stage. These are nice colours. A very sort of fabulous lion. Oh, cool. What cool character that is. Meet the artist Dave Guertin. Robots. That's nice. That's crazy, isn't it? It's mad, isn't it? One minute you're looking at these like fluffy happiness things, and next minute you're looking at sort of dark and almost sort of depressing, but oh, look at this. Look at that, look. How beautiful. Beauty and the Beast. Oh, look at these characters here, look. Oh, I'm loving that character there. It's beautiful. Hey, little Dennis's collar's fallen off. You could use that as a bookmark. Paper feels nice. It's got a slight texture to it. Yeah, again, look. It's cool, isn't it? Little interviews. Partners in design. Who's my favourite out of those two? Probably this one. I think she would actually end up being more loyal. I think she's one of these characters that you wouldn't know whether you could trust her to start with, but once you've made friends with her, very loyal. This one would have a bit like the cat on Shrek. Comes across as friendly, but probably double cross you. That's what I'm thinking. I always like these little characters. Cool weapon, that. That's what I mean. That, hey, it's her hand, isn't it? Her hand is actually the weapon. Oh, cool! Look at these. It's all these little sketchy things I love, because you're sort of seeing like what the artist is thinking. I like that one. Oh, I like that one. She looks cool there as well. I wonder what these characters are called. Azalea she's called. And she's called Protea. She's called Protea, and this one's called Azalea. A colourful encounter. Nice. Yeah, I love it when they do this. You see the same scene. It shows you like how the colours and the lighting can transform the feeling. I like that one as well. Yay, little Dennis's favourite. The gallery. Yay. Oh, I like these. These are very friendly. Oh, she's nice as well. See, I like that. I especially like that little pointy bit on her. Because she's all curvy and that, but she's got pointy bits. And normally they say pointies are aggressive and stuff. But in this case, I say Pointy is quite sexy. That's nice as well. Look at the lighting on that, look. And that. Beautiful. I love this one. Two little witches, look. Going out shopping for dresses. That's quite fun. Building an engineer. Silhouettes. Look, they're playing around with different creatures. Animal options. Story, look. A young student. That's cool, isn't it? Freaking. Look, little shapes. What colour do you reckon's the best one here? I'm not really in love with any of those colour combinations. I would probably say that one though, the one they went with. I like how that tail feels very full. Hello, Jackie Droujko. How would you say that? Droujko. Jackie Droujko. Look, it's got tattoo there, look. Going upwards. Wonder what that means. Oh, beautiful. This issue is full of beautiful characters. Look. I wonder if she's like drawing herself in these characters. Because this one here looks a little bit like her. That's what I say. Oh, I like that one. Oh, beautiful as well, look. That would be me, that would. I'd rather be sat on a chair with a little cat than talking to people. That's what I think. Lovely colours. I'm loving all the pointiness in this issue. Pointy knees. Telling veggie tales. Little vegetables, look. Spring onions, isn't it? It's quite cool, isn't it? It's like very simple, but my favourite one's that one actually. Is he a potato or something? Oh, I like that pose better. I like the pose better in the sketchbook. It's more like gentle and I wonder why they picked that pose. Reimagining Bluebird. Captain Bluebird. I don't know who Bluebird is. I don't know who Bluebird is. Oh no, we're getting near to the end. I'm not really in love with these colours here, to be honest. I likes me sort of, funky colours. That's it. Yes, another one's done. Here's our sexy little artists for this issue. Dun dun dun. I always like looking at their faces just to see. I hope you can read that alright. I've actually turned off the automatic focus on my camcorder because it kept playing up. So it means I can't always get focused on close-up things anymore. Oh look, it is finished. Flip shape characters. And that's it. Draw what you love. Simple. That was beautiful. This is, again, I say this quite a lot, but the reason I love these magazines so much is they're just full of so much beautiful things. You never get a bad character design quarterly magazine. That's what I've found. 23 issues, and I've loved every single one of them. That's probably my favourite one, actually. I love that. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 23 of the Character Design Quarterly magazine. And I shall see you later for another one. Cool. Little Dennis, little diddy dee.